Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing our unboxing for our Ipsy box for the month of January. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the little bell notification so you guys know when I post a video. And let's get into it. So the first thing that came in our box is this Hanali lip treatment, and it is formulated with unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals. So this company is a Hawaiian company based, I guess, and this is what the packaging looks like, and the actual product comes in this glass container, and it's super cute, simple, and this is how the applicator looks like. It's just like a regular lip gloss, and smells like vanilla, so can't wait to try it in a second. So let's try it and see how it feels. So we're just gonna take a little bit of that and apply it to the lips. And the product is really thick. It's not sticky, it's not uncomfortable, so it's like very hydrating and smooth, so I definitely like that. That is how the lip treatment looks on the lips, and let's see what else we got. The next thing that we got is the $1 billion brow, the best brow kit ever. We received this same brow kit in our January BoxyCharm premium box, so let's get into it and do our brows with the kit, which was amazing. Little spoiler. So the kit comes with a universal brow pencil, a dual-ended concealer and highlighter shade, a brow gel, and a brow brush. So we're gonna go in first with the universal brow pencil, and this is how it looks. So let's fill our brows in with it. Just fill it in very lightly. Start with less product and you can always build up. Don't go so heavy at the beginning. So that is how the brows look just using the pencil. We're gonna take the dual-ended and we're gonna put concealer first and then blend it out. So now we're just gonna blend it out using our little brush. So that is how it looks with just the concealer. Now we're gonna go with the highlighter and do the same thing. So that is how it looks with the highlighter on. So now we're gonna go in with the last item, which is the clear brow gel, and set the eyebrows. So that is the finished look of the brow kit. So the next item that came in our box is this Huda Beauty palette in the shade Emerald Obsessions, and this is how it looks. And this is the color story. So we're gonna go in with this color for our crease. Now we're gonna go with this lighter green and apply it to the center of the eye. We're gonna take the darker green and blend out the outer corners just so they blend in together. So now we're gonna go with this lighter shade and apply it to the inner tear dot. So this is what we have so far. I'm gonna go apply my foundation and concealer and everything, and then I'll finish underneath the eye. And I'm gonna also pop some lashes. So now we're gonna go with this thing shade and go underneath the bottom lash line. So now we're going to go with this white eye pencil and line our waterline. We're going to take the same green that we used underneath the lash line and put it on top of the white liner. So we're just going to go and intensify again like our inner waterline with the light green. So I just popped on some lashes, put the mascara, and this is the finished look. So what do you guys think? So let's see what else we got. The next thing that we got is two highlighters from the brand Face Case Cosmetics, and this is their packaging and it's super cute. It's like a little UFO flying in the universe. And this is how they look inside. One of them is more of like a vanilla highlighter and one of them is more of like a champagne gold, and they are super cute. So let's try them on. So I will be using the lighter one, which is called Scene from Space 1C, and it's this one. And the more deeper one is Scene from Space 1B, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to go in with a fan brush and apply my highlighter. And I love applying it with a fan brush because it applies it super nice and it blends it out beautifully. And I love this highlighter because it's super subtle but gives you that luminosity that I love. And as you guys can see, it's so pretty. And that's how the highlighter looks, and it's so pretty. It's like dewy and like wet. That's how I love my highlighters to look. So I definitely love the highlighter because it's so pretty and glowy but natural. So the final thing that we got in our box are these two glosses from the brand Jules Smith Beauty, and this is how they look. So these are the two shades. One of them is of more pink and one of them is more coral. So this one's the more coral one and this is the more pink one. So we're gonna swatch them to see how pigmented they are. Wow, they're really pigmented. So that's the coral one in the shade Namaste All Day. So here is the second one, which is Serene Queen, and it's more sheer but it has that nice shift of pearls in it, and it's super cute. I'm gonna go in with this nude lip liner from NYX in the shade Nude Suede Shoes, and I'm gonna line my lips. We're gonna go in with the shade Sequence Queen, which is the lighter pink one, and apply it. So this is how it looks with Serene Queen on the lips, and in person it's more of like a nude pink than it's showing on camera. In camera, like I'm seeing it's like more reddish, but it's super light pink like in person, and it's super cute and I love it. It's a bit sticky but not super sticky. This is the finished look, and as always, let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite thing, what you got in your box, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and yeah, till next time, bye.